Now, you can make music with AI, but I honestly never thought that it's just going to be this good. One such tool that I wanted to show you today is called TemPolor, and it's just good. I will make a quick review of it, and I'll show you what it can do. First of all, you can find it like this. You can just Google for TemPolor, and it's going to be the first result. It's TemPolor.com, or you can click the link down there, and it's going to lead you here. First of all, I'll show you some of these. Let me just click on, just take Surf Rock, and I'll show you the best feature that they have nowadays. No matches found for this one. Let's just go to the mood here. By the way, when you land, you can always just click here on the music tab here, and it's just going to give you all the songs that it already generated before for someone else or just for listening, right? So let's just have a listen at this first one. Let's just say this one. Now this one I like. This is just like your standard corporate video, right? So yeah, really good. And I still can't wrap my head around that this was made with AI. It's just good. But if you want to create your own, all you have to do is to put in the prompt. And the best feature, which is new by the way, is video to music. Now what this means is that you can just put the video in there, whichever video you'd like, and it'll just give you the suggested song for the video, right? So it's going to analyze the video and then it's going to generate the music for it. Let me just show you that in action. From the main page, you have these buttons here. As you can see, you can write your prompt here. So you can write whatever, and there's a little button here which says generate. If you turn on generate, it'll skip the search, right? So it'll skip the search for all the music that is already on the platform, and it'll just use your prompt in order to create something new. But I wanted to show you this one. This is search and generate with video or picture. So if you click on it, all you got to do is to paste your video or picture there, and they will suggest the music for it, and they will generate the music for it as well. So it'll just use the frame, so you just need a little bit of it. Let's just use the default here. So let's just take one of these. Let's just take the squirrel. So as you can see, you just have to select the frame like this one, and it'll give you all the melodies that it thinks it's going to be good for you for that particular video. Down there, as you can see, it's suggested a lot of these, and you've got numerous genres here, and you can see the analysis. So for example, you chose a video screenshot featuring an adorable squirrel nibbling on seeds atop a tree stump in a sunlit forest. So that's the analysis. Down there, there's some suggestions, and up here, there are two new ones, right? So this has been generated right now. So let's just have a look, and let's just listen to it. Well, it's just perfect. Just have a look at the video as well while you're listening to the music. It's just good. Like it's so good. It's maybe for some YouTube channel. Maybe you can just make something out of it. Let's just take a listen at this one. Oh my god, so good. Yeah, this one is even more like, you know, melancholic or something. So it's really good. So let's just try another thing with this one. I'll actually go over to Pexels and I'll just type in animals, and I just wanted to take a video from this here. So let's just find something. Okay, let's just take this camel here. I think this is going to be good. So from the main page, once more, click here on video and picture, and I'll just upload a file here. It's a short video, camel, you know, so I'll just keep this frame and click on recommend music, and then it's just going to analyze the frame, and it's going to give us the suggestions, and of course it's just going to create two more tracks. Now while it's in the making, I just want to show you one more thing, and it's this one. So it'll search and generate with audio if you click on this here, because you can have certain songs that you want to recreate something, you know, you want to make something similar to the already existing sound that you have in your mind. So all you got to do here is to upload, as you can see, audio length between 10 seconds and 5 minutes. And then you can create a lot of similar styles. For example, on the homepage, you've got one example, and you can firstly listen to the original track. Let me just click on try this. Now I can just go to somewhat similar here and click on generate. And it's going to create me something similar to this sound. You can also do this from homepage, for example, like this, similar, as you can see. And then you can go to loosely similar. So it has a hint of the original song, but it's still, similar. Huge thing for content creators. All of these are copyright free, right? So you don't have to worry about any kind of copyright strikes, whatever you want to use this on Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, whatever, copyright free. Everything, the whole library as well. You can take it and use it. You have it here in the FAQ, so you can just read about it. All in all, it's a pretty good tool, but let's just go back to our camel. I actually ended up choosing another camel video because this one of mine was broken. But as you can see, this was what I expected. It gave me something related to the desert, right? So this is what everyone would expect. And here you can see that it already generates 2 new tracks for me. So for example, if I don't like this one, let's just have a listen. But already it's just good, right? Let's just take a look at these ones. These are finished now, so let's just click on this one. Yeah, I like this one as well. I love that it plays the video in the background while just giving me these songs. It's just good. Let's just have a listen to this one. It's really good. It's just good. I really like this one. When it comes to the pricing, it's not expensive at all. And if you take the yearly version, you can get it for $7.99 per month. If you take the monthly version for the Pro version, it's going to be $17.99. So I would always suggest this one. This Pro one seems to me maybe the best choice. You can generate up to 3,000 tracks per month, up to 10 simultaneous generations, and you've got unlimited downloads from a library, which is huge, by the way. Also, for content creators, all social media platforms. You've got a license for everything, and as I've told you, no copyright issues. You can drop service this to somebody. Maybe you just want to do it through, I don't know, maybe Fiverr, or maybe you run your content agency. It's going to work on ads as well. It's going to work on Facebook, YouTube, whatever. So yeah, check it out. TemPolor.com. You can forget about music selection. It's just good. AI taking care of the rest. Enjoy. Link is down there.